What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how I wigged and revamped this. So this wig came like this, guys. You need to see this, how it came like this, how they wigged it. And my client told me I should look at the wig and know what I can do with the wig. Honestly, guys, I don't know where to start because the wig was looking so scanty and I don't really know, but I decided to try my best. So let's see how this is going to look like. This is a synthetic wig and this is how they wigged it. It was gummed all throughout. I don't know what to do to this wig. I was like, okay, let me start from the front by ventilating it, but on the second thought I was like, maybe I need to do something. The first thing I did was to remove the padded front because it was gummed all through. So I removed it. After I was done removing the front, I decided to also remove the back because the gummed back part was already removing. So I decided to remove it and stop at this place and maybe do the wigging. Guys, so these are the back looks. Everything was just empty. Okay, I decided later to remove all and do the wigging from the scratch. So I'm going to do this wigging. If you don't know how to do a wig, I'm going to leave a link up there for you to click. So this is how it is. I've done the wigging and I left some part at the front. You need to see how I managed this weave on, how I managed to make a wig out of that scanty weave on. It was not really that funny, but yeah, I did it. So I'm going to use this Swiss net and cover the front part. Then I'm going to pin it down so that I'll sew it round. I'm doing a running stitches in my stitch, and you can also stitch it together with the weave on and not this method. But if you think this method is okay for you, especially when you want to ventilate it, then you can also do it this way. I just choose to do this running stitch. Now I'm going to tie it. Then cut it out. I'm also going to be cutting out the excess net. After I'm done, I'm going to ventilate the net, and I'm going to be doing this very fast. If you're seeing how to ventilate for the first time, if you're coming across how I ventilate for the first time, I have lots of video on this channel where I did how to ventilate a closure. So go click there and see how to do it. I'm also going to leave some links in the description box for you to see how to ventilate a closure. Now I'm going to ventilate this, and I'm doing it very tight because yeah, I left just a little net at the front, so I'm going to just do it to cover all the thread so you don't get to see any thread left out. I'm done ventilating. I'm going to open it up so you see the closure, how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm going to brush out the wig to see exactly how it looks like, how the wigging and the whole stuff turned out to look. I really made sure that I covered all the scanty parts. The next thing I did was to revamp the hair. I just want to make sure that the hair looks very neat. It turned out from that bushy synthetic hair to a very nice hair. So I'm going to apply my shampoo, my cleansing shampoo to the hair and wash it thoroughly. After washing it, I'm going to rinse out the shampoo from the hair, rinse out the shampoo from the ribbon. Then apply a leave-in conditioner. You can also apply a conditioner to this, or a leave-in conditioner. Just make sure that you apply conditioner. So I'm applying leave-in conditioner to the hair, massage it all through and brush it out. After I'm done brushing it, I washed out the conditioner out from the hair, and you can also decide to allow the conditioner to stay like maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending how bad the hair was looking. This is just me doing a simple revamping to the hair. Now this is how it looks like. It's still wet and now it's dry. I'm going to brush it out, see how it looks like, then add some styles to it by first straightening the hair. I'm going to be straightening it to make it look more silky. While straightening the hair, if the hair you are straightening is no human hair or maybe high percent of hair, it's advisable you use a low heat or a medium heat stretcher, because if you use a high heat, it's going to look very rough in as much as your aim is to make it to look silky. So it's advisable, if you are straightening a synthetic hair or hair blend, just put it in low heat or medium heat. Okay guys, I'm done with the straightening. Check it out. I'm enjoying the whole look. It looks amazing. It looks very silky from the back to the side part and the rest. This is how it looks like. Next I'm going to do is to apply my hair cream. This is a synthetic wig, so applying a hair cream is very much okay. I'm going to apply this to make it to look more silky and also add some shine to it. With this look, you can decide to give it a blunt cut like shoulder cutting if you wish, or you can also decide to leave it like this. Both will still look very fine. My client didn't say otherwise about giving it a shoulder cutting, so I'm going to leave it like this. It still looks fine. For the closure part, this is how it looks like. The ventilation, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks from the inside. Tell me what you think about the wigging, the whole process, what you think. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.